welcome. Monday evening. I got some 6mm copper brake line, and we're gonna start by trying out my flaging tool to get the right end on the tubing. Let's do the first one. Operation 1. Operation 2. I think I overdid it with Operation 2. Let's go and compare with some of the old ones. Okay, it looks a lot bigger, doesn't it? So I think I overdid it. Step 2. I forced it too much. As long as it, yeah, I'd use that. So actually the only tubing I did not remove yesterday, I now in the evening made a smart decision that it's that one I'm going to build because it's the shortest one. So now I should remove this one and exchange it for a new one. Nice and shiny.
Is that literally the only one that is left?
Yeah.
On the whole thing?
No. It's actually the only one left on the frame. That thingy, it's also expensive. Finally, something new on the Unimog. We have one new brake line. There is space, there is space. The old one was actually touching. Guess the diff lock is also a 6mm. We could go for copper there also. It's really nasty rusty. Beautiful. Oh. Woo. Ah, nice. Here we go. Okay, inspection. I'm gonna redo that one anyway. I got a little bit close there, but my idea is to go for a little bit different bend here. This was a really nice evening. We've made some progress. We've actually put some new stuff on it. I know that I'm tricking myself a little bit because I'm not even close to that point, but it feels really nice. Good morning. It's Friday and it's morning, and I'm in the workshop. I have purchased quite some stuff. So we have the load sensor valve thingy, 4 hoses, specially made, nice and quickly. Brake fluid. We have a lot of these. An extra 5 meters of the brake line. I have my work cut out. Don't really know where to start. I want to start with a line for the diff lock, but that's not a brake thing. So maybe I should try to stick to the brakes. Okay. Springtime is coming. Birds are singing, and that's a really, really nice reminder that you are way off schedule. I'll fix this during the winter time, no worries. They've given me the wrong ones. Now I can't do more, but they get really, really nice. Woohoo! Okay, so I need to probably go to a hydraulic firm and find this stuff. And if I'm doing that, I should actually take the line for the e-brakes also, because it's also really, really rusty. Looks really rusty. No, we'll do it the same way. Just cut it. Nice. Everything that was supposed to be dismantled, connected to the brake lines and the air pressure lines is done. Now we need the correct nuts to get the brake lines on. Okay, so there's been a road trip, and we got even more stuff to do. So let's start with the 10mm metallic hose for the e-brakes. That one is, yeah, just a little bit back. It's supposed to be straight, and then one more. Okay. Yeah. I think I overbent them a little bit.
Yeah.
Something like that. So this is the connector it's supposed to meet, and it meets it just perfect. Good morning. It's Saturday morning. I have my son Veda with me. He'll be helping me today so we can make some nice progress. I will continue on the brake lines to get the rear connected. Veda will start removing the rubbers, the broken rubbers front and back. Yeah, let's get going.
Wow.
Okay.
It's just dirt.
Oops. So I've done all the brake lines. It's sort of okay. We're gonna put them together so it holds up. There's a little bit of both sides. Also the pressure line for the diff lock. Got that one on. We're all the way to the front. I put the new hose there, was the one that exploded. There's a new one. I have bought 15 meters of brake line, and I think I have like 3 meters left. So these are the parts we have left from 15 meters. So but I think it's enough for the front axle. New brake lines everywhere. 15 meters of brake line. And we are missing like 40 centimeters going down here into there. Good morning. It's time for the, in my mind right now, the last brake line. So this is number 4 of a 5 meter roll. I think it's extreme. 15 meters just gone. If anybody would need 6mm brake line on the tour, it'll be in the truck. Working with this tool feels a lot more safe now. Ta-da! What? Hey. Yeah. It feels like I bent it the wrong way. Can I have a look on you? Yeah, I did. Being cocky. The last one. Okay, the last one will be the ugliest one. Good. So we're actually done with the hydraulic side of the brakes. I think. We'll see. But I have very, very little experience on the compressed air side. So we are going to get a visitor someday this week to have a look on it, because he's been working with trucks like forever. So now I don't really know what I should do. Cleaning it,